Friday, east wind 5 knots. Waves flat. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Southeast winds around 5 knots. Northeast winds also continue throughout the week into the flights of 700 thunderstorms in service forecast. Noon. Q70s. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KHB-36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from an antenna located in Manassas, Virginia.
That's about 100 miles away.
The 7 a.m. observation in Washington at Reagan-%. After 9 miles in the daytime, the distinct picture was showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the lower 90s.
You hear the other station underneath, the louder station?
Chance of rain 30%. Heat index values up to 102. Friday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 100. Saturday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 100. Sunday night, the rain 40. Washington, D.C., partly sunny and 77. Salisbury, highs in the upper 80s.